Hi everyone, am I audible to all? Guys, students, are you able to hear me? Guys, we are waiting for a few more minutes so that the student join and then we will start the analysis session. तो उससे पहले कि हम लोग एनालिसिस सेशन स्टार्ट करें, आप लोग जल्दी से अपने अपने फीडबैक्स दे दो, रिव्यूज दे दो, कैसा रहा पेपर, न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज का क्या पोर्शन था, कैसे क्वेश्चंस थे, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द पेपर? You see, पेपर एवरीबडी नोज कि डायनेमिक आ रहे हैं, क्वेश्चंस का पोर्शन, वेटेज, subjects all together, everyone is confused, and seeing the past three papers like Gujarat, Assam, these papers, so everybody know that paper might be, the pattern might be changed, the dominance of particular subject might be changed. So all these things we will be going to discuss today here. But before that, I just want to know from you that how was your experience? Because Uttarakhand every year or in 2 year these vacancies out. I know the number of vacancies less, but still you have good opportunity to become a judge. The aspiration, the dream which you have pursued, and Team Lawsikho is helping you in that way. So guys, just we are waiting for few more seconds. So before that, जल्दी जल्दी अपने experience आप लोग share कर दो. I know you all people will be in Uttarakhand. Weather काफी अच्छा होगा वहाँ का. I know, but still paper is done, prelims is done. Analysis session will help you to gauge the information about the cutoff, about the answer key, about the paper, how was the paper, what will be the expected cutoff. Because see, these things will help you to prepare for mains. Because one step you have already done, right? Prelims exam is done. Now next your focus would be on mains exam. But you are clearing this prelims, the step which you have just got into it, that is prelims. Whether you have cleared this or not, you will be get to know in this paper analysis session. Not exactly, but you will be getting a rough idea that okay, you are near to cutoff or you are above the cutoff. So definitely you can start the mains preparation by after 2 days, 3 days having a good sound sleep and good rest. Have your mind fresh, and then you can start the preparation for mains. Right. So we have few students here. Let's start the analysis session. So see, this is the basic information. You all know that the exam is from 10 to 1, 3 hours paper, 200 question, 50 is from general knowledge and 150 is from law portion. In law portion also, this time the syllabus has increased because of new criminal laws. And just being the Uttarakhand pattern, they always ask about, because what when I go through the paper, there is not that change in pattern. Questions are of same level. The pattern they used to follow in past years is altogether same in this year, I can say. So if you have analyzed the past year paper, if you have given the mocks of the PYQs, and if you have gone through the bare section, then this will be enough you to qualify the prelims exam. So the basic information about the exam, you all know that 200 questions will be there, plus one negative marking is also there. So I hope you all have attempted the paper wisely and you don't have like marked the answer randomly, because there is negative marking and it will be impacting your overall score. So timing is 3 hours. Level of the exam and cutoff, I have mentioned in the first slide because most of you are desperate about it, that what is the cutoff, what is the level of the exam, but we will be dealing with this in detail. Don't worry about it. Right? We will be dealing about this in a detail. Don't worry. But between this, I just want to know from you guys that how was your experience? Any problem with any question, anything whichever you want to share with us, just let us know. Right. Okay. So few pointers which I have churned out from the paper, because paper is 200 questions. The paper is altogether lengthy. So apart from Delhi, this Uttarakhand also has 200 questions. So paper level is easy to moderate. That is not of that difficult. The type of question formation I can see that there are few questions in which they have asked in a matching form. It is actually not in matching form, but they have given few topics and few sections, and then you have to identify that which of the section is correctly matched or incorrectly matched. So you have to well versed with the all the four options. If you are not aware about any of the two, then you won't be able to mark the correct answer. So in that you have to be very thorough with the bare language of the bare act through the sections of the particular act and everything. So I think that question formation make it exam somehow not difficult but moderate. But all those questions are only five, six are there. So and the topics which they have asked in that question was very like quite general, not that corner topic. So you will be aware about the topic. I have seen in Evidence Act and IPC they have asked this sort of question from every act. So that is not that much problematic. But yes, a sound knowledge and a proper understanding of the particular section number and its title is required for qualifying this. Then case laws also we have seen this time. Case laws are also there. Those are not that too landmark, but few questions are corner one. But barring those also, we have few case laws which are direct also. So if you have picked top 50, top 100 from particular act, landmark questions, judgments from particular act, top 50, top 100 landmark questions, then definitely you will be answered to those questions as well. So the pattern of the paper is same. The dominance of the particular subject, like criminal laws, new criminal laws, they have asked just the bare section. Like they have asked which new type of punishment has been introduced in the BNS, in the new criminal laws. So that irrespective of any state, whether it is Assam, Guwahati, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, whatever the exam is, you have to go through that exam because it will give you a very fair idea like how the commission or the high courts are approaching to the new laws. So they because when I saw this question like which new punishment have they added, so this question has already asked in past 2 to 3 exams. So if you have solved those exams, so definitely you don't have to mug it. You have to just go through the paper. You have to just solve it once in a form of PYQ mock. If you have done that, so you are aware about the formation of question, the topics which are in current scenario are most relevant because every year, see, they are asking the topics which are relevant from the judiciary perspective, which are going into the particular high court of that particular state and in the Supreme Court. Because every time, see, UCC, this time questions are there from UCC. Then we have from NGT environment, we have many questions in current affairs. So in there is a report they have also asked. So these all perspective has been coming from current affair also. So whenever you are going through any subject, you are preparing for any exam, just go to the exam which was held before that exam in 1 month, 2 month, 5 months, 6 months. So that will be enhance your knowledge also and give you a confidence, like because that questions have been prepared in the current scenario. So if you are answering those, your confidence will definitely be increased, right? So overall, the paper was easy. Bare sections were asked in every there like the questions from like Section 32 of the Indian Evidence Act was asked. So these are very direct and very landmark sections from a particular act which can be asked, and they have asked in the particular exam. So the paper, the question, those are not together very difficult. Then if we go about the subject-wise analysis, so CRPC, those criminal laws, then constitution, I have seen that basic amendment question have been asked. Then general knowledge questions, so they have asked about international organization. Then they have asked about MC Mehta case. So in general knowledge, they have covered constitution also. Then apart from that, there are many questions from NGT also. I have seen 2 to 3 questions from NGT also. So subject-wise and analysis, if we are categorically looking into the subjects, then we can see that the dominance is from new criminal laws. Like I can see most of the questions are from IPC, and the good thing is they have asked it separately. They don't make a comparison of the two laws. Like maintenance, they have asked the section of maintenance in new criminal law, that BNSS. So 144 section is that. So the thing is, like whenever you are focusing on new criminal laws, so there is a hint that you have to always look for the relevant topics or the mostly common topics which is asked in every exam. So you have to be well versed with the sections of those subject, those particular topic, and then the landmark cases related to that, and the and the illustration which is giving into that particular section, that is also relevant. So you can go through it. So in that case, because in previous year Uttarakhand paper and this year, the number of question like weightage is also not that too difficult, not too that too different, I can say. So guys, I am waiting for your review also. If anyone of you have to share anything about the exam, about the paper, any concern, any review which you want to share with me, so we can discuss it here. See, paper solving we are doing. I will be providing the answer key. We have already released the answer key for the students who have already enrolled in the Lawsikho test series, and definitely I will be putting the link of that answer key here with in the comment section of this video. So you will go through that answer key, and you can also let us know the scores in the comment section also. So, in if you have any question, any confusion regarding to any question, you can put your confusion in that comment form, and definitely we will be replying there also. The answer key will be in the comment section also. You can download the answer key. You can check your answers, and then you can also let us know how much marks you are scoring. So, because this in the initial slide when we go to the expected cutoff, so last year it was around 150, but this time, owing to the circumstances and the number of applicants and to the number of the difficulty of the exam, it will be definitely going to be increased, and it will be around 160 to 165 for unreserved category, because there are seats are also less. So we can somehow infer that the cutoff won't be below 160 or 165. I am waiting in the comment section if anyone of you have any suggestions, any question regarding to the exam, so I can go through it once. Cutoff is around one. It will be definitely surpassing the last year cutoff, that is 150. It will be 160 above, as far as I can. Then apart from this, we have Lawsikho has conducted a holistic Uttarakhand dedicated test series, that is for prelims exam. In that, we have given around 1600 plus MCQs that has been tailored by our test mock test series team, and they have created those questions by having the following like certain circumstances such as the PYQs, the analysis of past year papers, the type of questions which has asked in the Uttarakhand Judiciary paper as well as AP exam, and all the other exams in which law section is relevant. So they have gone through those papers, they have made the analysis of those papers, and then through that they have tailored a holistic test series for this judiciary exam. And that too, the point to highlight is that that test series is offered in rupees 1 only. And in that, our team is still working on comparing the questions, but still now we have got that around 50% of the questions of the today's exam have been asked from our test series and the study material which Lawsikho provide to our students. So, guys, whenever you are preparing for any state judiciary, you can even enroll to the judiciary coaching that we are offering. And if you are not enrolling in that, so you can enroll to a test series also, because in test series also many questions are directly from our test series, not only in Uttarakhand, and prior to this Uttarakhand state, we have around all the other states in which our test series are doing very good results. And in almost every test series, we have around 50 to 60%, at least 50 to 60% questions are directly from our Lawsikho test series, irrespective of any state it is. Like after this we have Jammu and Kashmir, we have other exams. Chhattisgarh is also coming, so we have test series running for that, so that also. But if we are talking about the Uttarakhand, we have 50, like still the counting is going on, but till now the update which I have been informed that around 50% of the questions are asked from our test series and the study material which Lawsikho provide to our students. So guys, the paper solving session I will be like, because I know many students have been going back to their home, so I am providing the answer key in the link section in the comments through the link. You can go through that, download it, and analyze your performance and let us know the score in the comment section. And if you are a student of Lawsikho, you can let us know personally also. All the counselor, all the success advisors are with you. They will help you out to start preparation for the mains exam, because ultimately our aim is to get selection, right? Not only qualifying prelims exam. So once one step you have already move ahead in pursuance to that selection, right? So afterwards, if you are a Lawsikho student, you can get in touch to your success advisor. You can inform your scores to them, and they will be helping you in mains preparation. If you are not a Lawsikho student, then don't worry. Just let us know your scores in the comment section, and we will be definitely there to help you out for mains preparation or for any other state if you want. There is it. We are there to help you. Right, guys. So I'm just waiting for any of you who want to share your feedback. I'm looking into the comment section. Any one of you want to share your feedback, anything which you want to share with us, just let us know. Yes, guys. See, the cutoff will be, definitely it will be going far from last year's cutoff. Last year it is around 150 to 152, I guess, for unreserved category. And definitely it will be more than that, because the number of applicants is higher this time and the number of seats is less. So cutoff will be more than that, right, guys? Okay, then I will be providing the link of the answer key in the comment section. You can go through that all and let us know your scores as well. Thank you.